Hi mommies, this is Tanya, Noor's mom. So today I'm going to show you what all goes into Noor's diaper bag. So since so many of you asked me, I thought I am going to show you what I put in her diaper bag. So the things that I'm going to show you are for say an outing for around 6 to 8 hours. So let us see what all goes in it. So the first thing that I make sure I have is a diaper changing mat. Um, this has plastic at the back. I got it from Amazon. Then I have diapers. I have around 6 diapers, 3 tape style ones, 3 pant ones. Then I have wipes. These are Mother Sparsh pure water wipes. So I have two packings here. One is their travel packing. So in case you're carrying like a smaller bag or you're going out only for a few hours, then I think the smaller one is also sufficient. Then I have the Desitin diaper rash cream. I have some saline nasal drops because I think these are really vital to prevent baby's nose from closing. So in case you're going into like an AC environment like a mall or something, then yeah, this you would need. Then I have a tummy roll on in case she gets gas or something. This is again from Mother Sparsh. Then and hand sanitizer, very important before you do any diaper changes or make milk for the baby. But anyways, even with COVID around, it's very vital. So this was everything to do with diapers. Then I carry a cotton sheet in order to cover her in case it gets too cold. Since it's winters, I carry a fleece blanket which easily fits in. This is from Mother Care. The first one is from Baby Hug, got it from First Cry. Then I carry around 2 bibs. You can actually carry more. Some plastic bibs also if you want. Then I have some washcloths here, a small handkerchief, then some extra set of clothing. One is like a full cotton onesie. This is a fleece onesie, just in case if the baby spoils his or her clothes, pees or poops in it. So if it's summers, then you can take whatever the baby is wearing, like an extra set. Winters, you can carry 2 fleece onesies if you like, but I'm carrying like one of each. There's a cap and socks. Again, this is for winter. Then I carry her formula in this travel container from Dr. Brown's. So this has 3 servings, as you can see, which you can put and carry. Then I have her flask in which I carry little warm water to make formula. I carry 3 bottles. I carry a bottle cover. This is again from First Cry. Then I carry her pacifiers, 2 pacifiers. These are her teethers. So I use a normal zip pouch and I put her sterilized teethers in this. Then I carry a few of her favorite toys so that in case she's fussy or she's bored, then there's a rattle here and a couple of other toys. This is a favorite, the butterfly and the cow. So I carry these. Then one last thing that I feel is very important is that I carry like a plastic bag, a normal plastic bag, to carry any soiled or wet clothes in case there are any. Then I also use these diaper disposable bags just to dispose of diapers. These I got from Amazon. So you can seal them. So you put your soiled diaper in this and seal them. So that, in case you're at a place where you can't throw it around and you have to carry, you can put them in these and you can avoid all the bad smell from sitting inside your car or wherever you are. So you don't necessarily need to buy these disposable bags. I had initially bought them when Noor wasn't born. But yeah, you can use any plastic bag. So but do keep a bag for soiled clothing. So this is her diaper bag. This is from Motherly. I got it from Amazon. I'm very happy with it. I love the print. So this is the diaper bag that I use for longer outings. And then I have a smaller bag. This is a small diaper bag. It's a size smaller. This is from Motherlike, again from Amazon. This is for shorter outings like a doctor's appointment or just going out for an hour or two. So these are her two diaper bags. Now I'm going to show you how all of this is going to fit in the diaper bag. So first things first, I am going to take the diaper bag and put the diaper mat at the very bottom of it. So I'll put it right at the bottom, as you can see. Then there's like a hidden pocket here which you can open from behind. Here there's a pocket. Here is where you put her wipes. So I'm going to be putting the smaller packet right now because I'm actually setting this bag in real time because we need to take Noor somewhere out for a few hours, not like in 8 hours. So I'm carrying the smaller wipes. Then I'm going to put the Diaper Rash cream here also, and I am going to close the zip and also shut this off from here. Now if you're carrying the bigger wipe bigger wipe packet, you can place it above your diaper changing mat. So now why this is placed at the bottom, so that even if your bag is full till the top and you need to change the diaper, which usually is the most frequent thing that is needed when you're out, so you just open the zip here and you can quickly get all your diaper related stuff at the bottom. You don't need to actually take out all stuff. That's why this is supposed to be put at the bottom. So now after that, these diapers, these I put here in one of the side pockets. So I put the diapers in the side pockets. They're quite spacious. Now next is I put her sheet at the bottom, followed by a blanket, the fleece blanket, a thin blanket, right? Then I will put her extra set of clothing. So in order of what I might require, I put her clothing. Then I will put her cap, an extra pair of socks, right? Then I will put all these roll-ons and nasal sprays, and if you have any other medicines, sanitizer, here in one of the side pockets so they're easy to access. Then I will take all these handkerchiefs and again put it in another side pocket so they're easy to access. Then what I'll do is I will then fill this area up with so the formula tumbler, it goes in another side pocket so that it's easy to access. Then here in the front pocket there is space for 3 bottles. So I am going to put all 3 bottles here, 1, 2 and 3. Now since whenever I will open this compartment, I know that I will need a bottle cover because it's advised that you keep warm, put your bottle in this so that the milk remains warm. So I'll put the bottle cover here so that whenever I open it, I get all the similar things together in one part of the bag. I will put her bibs also here. So these bibs are from Uniqlo. I love them. I love the colors. Right, so I'll put the bibs here and I will zip this part. So now this is my feeding area. This is my diaper area. These are the clothes. These are diapers. This is formula. My formula feeding bottle, it goes here in the side pocket. Then all the things that I'll be needing, whenever there's a need, like whenever I can quickly access them, are toys and pacifiers and teethers. So I'll put them right on top because I know I'll be needing them. I'll put the pacifier here and the teethers here. So this bag is ready. Now I still have like one pocket left. Here is where I'm going to be putting this plastic bag and the diaper disposal bags. So I will put them here. And see, there's still so much space left in this bag. You can put whatever you like. You can put your purse, your wallet, your phone. There's even a secret pocket here where you can put your phone. So it's a great place. You can even put your mask here after if you have to remove it. And then see, her diaper bag is ready. There's still another place left where you can carry a water bottle for yourself. And that's it. Her diaper bag is ready. And in case I'm like going for a shorter visit, then I use these and I just reduce the number of things I carry. I'll carry one onesie, I'll carry just two washcloths, I'll carry one bib, I'll carry one bottle, I'll carry lesser number of toys. So I'll just reduce the number of things. That's all. So I hope I have tried to answer all questions regarding your diaper bag essentials. And please let me know if you have any more comments or questions regarding this. And please feel free to DM me. Thank you. Bye-bye.